Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Execulink Helps network troubleshooting app. Execulink Helps is an easy-to-use tool that you can use to diagnose and repair common internet issues in your home. Today, we'll learn how to install the app and perform some common troubleshooting steps. To install Execulink Helps on your Apple or Android phone, simply go to your Google Play or App Store, search for Execulink Helps, and then click Install or Get. Alternatively, if you've been speaking to an Execulink representative, they may have sent you an SMS message with a link to download the app. Initially, you'll be presented with options to specify the issue you're having trouble with, from streaming and movies to Wi-Fi coverage in general. Choose the option you need help with. You'll be asked to share your location with the app so that it can identify your network and troubleshoot properly. The information is only used when a scan is running. It is not collected when your app is not in use. Next, you'll be asked to stand next to your router and confirm when you have done so. Upon confirmation, a network scan will begin, or a Wi-Fi coverage scan. Once finished, you'll be presented with options for troubleshooting your issue. If you are on call with a customer service representative, the Advanced Tools button will show you options for troubleshooting that you can walk through with one of our representatives. The Send Photo option allows you to send photos of what you're seeing to your Execulink representative. Similarly, the Live Video option allows you to send a live video to your Execulink representative so they can see exactly what you're seeing. The Router Check option allows the Execulink representative to log into your router to diagnose any issues. Once your issue is resolved, you can close the app. Make sure to rate the app to let us know how we're doing. Thanks for watching.